Good day. I am Catherine Pacquiao, a licensed teacher from Philippines with over 15 years of teaching experience in basic education, both junior and senior high school, handling physical education, health, culture, and the arts while fostering inclusive, student-centered learning environment. I hold a master's degree in education, major in cultural studies education, and complete academic requirements in physical education with special education units. I am passionate in helping students to grow academically, socially, and emotionally by using differentiated instructions, data-informed strategies, and positive learning environment. Because I believe every student has the potential to succeed when they feel respected, supported, and challenged. Thank you.